In this video, I will show you how to download Sound TV to your smart TV. Like and subscribe to YouTube if you find this video helpful. Now, I want to install the Sound TV application to your smart TV. So what you can do, the application you are going to be using is called Downloader. This is a very useful application that you must have on your smart TV. If you download the application on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a guide there on how to download this application to your smart TV. Once you install the application, launch it and then come to the search box and type in Sound TV. What this application does is that it helps you sort out files, APKs, apps from across the internet that you can download to your smart TV. So once you type in the keyword Sound TV, remember this is how the right name is S0UND TV. Then once you are done with that, just click on Go. Once you click on Go, download is going to show you the various sources on the internet where you could install Sound TV to your smart TV. And here is it. See, the best option is the second option here, which says Sound TV for Twitch. So I'm just going to click on that link there. Once you click on that link there, you're going to have the install button, and then you can now install Sound TV for Twitch to your smart TV. It's a very helpful app. Like and subscribe to YouTube if you found this video helpful.